Say goodbye to swelling. These 8 collagen-rich fruits are essential for healthy legs and joints. Burning joints, stiff knees, and swelling in the legs. These aren't just signs of aging, but rather indicators of collagen deterioration silently draining your strength. Millions of older adults struggle with joint pain, inflammation, and persistent swelling, yet few realize that the root cause is collagen depletion. Research shows that after the age of 30, collagen production declines by 1% each year, and by age 65, most of it is gone. Astonishingly, 99% of seniors don't know that certain fruits can start replenishing collagen in just 12 hours. The body can regenerate collagen, but only under the right conditions. That's where this video comes in. We'll reveal the top 8 fruits, ranked from least to most powerful, that can restore mobility, rebuild strength, and reduce joint and leg swelling in as little as 12 hours. Don't miss the number 1 fruit. Clinical studies show it increases collagen density in the skin by 24% and reduces knee pain in seniors by over 42%, just from regular consumption. No speculation, only peer-reviewed science on people just like you. All research sources are in the description. Before we dive in, share in the comments which fruit you dislike the most and your age. We read and reply to every comment. Your feedback is always valued. Now, let's start with fruit number 8. Starting us off is kiwi, not the most powerful, but it's where the healing begins. This modest green fruit is dense with nutrients that directly support collagen production, especially in the joints and legs. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. Without it, the body can't form new collagen. This impacts your cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and joint tissues. When vitamin C is deficient, collagen production slows, resulting in weaker tissues and delayed recovery. A single medium kiwi provides over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, enough to activate enzymes that convert proline and lysine into collagen structures. In a clinical trial at the University of Otago in New Zealand, individuals who ate 2 kiwis daily saw reduced joint stiffness and improved range of motion, and their blood vitamin C levels rose by 31% within a week. Kiwis are also rich in antioxidants and an enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins and improve digestion. This leads to more raw materials for collagen, faster nutrient transport, and enhanced absorption. Eat kiwi fresh in the morning, ideally with the skin for extra fiber and antioxidants. You can snack on it whole, blend it into smoothies, or slice it into yogurt. For older adults with knee discomfort, slow recovery, or leg swelling after walking, kiwi is a simple and effective way to jumpstart collagen repair from within. Next up, at number 7, is pineapple. This fruit isn't just tasty, it's a tropical anti-inflammatory powerhouse that supports collagen production and reduces inflammation. Pineapple contains bromelain, a unique enzyme especially effective for joint and leg health. Bromelain not only helps digest proteins, but also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, targeting swollen areas around the knees, hips, and ankles. Inflammation impairs collagen production and puts stress on the joints, causing stiffness. By reducing inflammation, pineapple promotes healing. A study in clinical rheumatology showed that people with osteoarthritis in their knees who took bromelain daily experienced a 41% drop in pain and swelling within a month. Even more impressive, a German study found bromelain supplements were as effective as NSAID painkillers in improving knee function, without the harmful side effects. 1 cup of pineapple also delivers more than 75 milligrams of vitamin C, vital for collagen formation, along with manganese, a trace mineral that activates collagen-producing enzymes. Consuming fresh, ripe pineapple is best. Avoid frozen chunks with added sugar or canned pineapple in syrup. Eat it raw, add to salads, or blend into smoothies. Morning is ideal when digestive enzymes are most active. Some people even mix it with bone broth. If your knees swell after standing or your legs feel stiff after walking, pineapple can help reduce inflammation and make space for collagen regeneration. Coming in at number 6 is papaya, an underrated fruit when it comes to collagen repair and joint support. While many know it for aiding digestion, few realize papaya contains papain, a rare enzyme that breaks down long protein chains into amino acids essential for collagen creation. Papaya actually has more vitamin C than oranges. When collagen levels drop, joint linings dry out, leading to stiffness, swelling, and friction. Papaya reverses this by supplying both the materials and the tools needed to build new collagen, especially in connective tissues like tendons and ligaments. In a study from the Journal of Medicinal Food, individuals with chronic knee stiffness who regularly consumed papaya reported improved flexibility and less discomfort within 2 weeks. Researchers credit papain, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory flavonoids found in the fruit and seeds. For maximum benefit, eat ripe papaya. The enzymes are most active when the orange flesh is soft. Add a bit of lime for extra vitamin C or scoop it with a spoon and eat plain. Some dietitians recommend blending a few seeds into smoothies, as they add more anti-inflammatory compounds. Avoid unripe papaya unless cooked. It has lower enzyme activity. Eating ripe papaya in the morning or post-walk can help reduce inflammation, build collagen where needed, and improve leg movement. Fifth on the list is guava, arguably the most collagen-rich fruit commonly available, yet often overlooked by seniors. Guava packs up to 4 times the vitamin C of oranges. One fruit has over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, more than twice the daily recommended amount. This high vitamin C content powers your body's collagen production system. But that's not all. Guava also contains lycopene and polyphenol, antioxidants that help prevent the breakdown of existing collagen. So, guava not only helps build new collagen but also protects what's already there. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who ate guava daily for 6 weeks experienced reduced joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity. Researchers believe guava's antioxidants reduce oxidative stress in connective tissues, allowing the body to heal more effectively. Whether you suffer from chronic knee swelling or leg stiffness after minimal activity, guava offers a simple way to support and restore the structural integrity of your joints. Eat guava raw and fresh for the best results. The skin is edible and contains more antioxidants and fiber. Slice it up like an apple, blend it into a smoothie with kiwi or papaya, or eat it whole. Avoid guava juices with added sugar, as they cancel out the anti-inflammatory benefits. With consistent intake, your joints will feel more flexible, swelling will decrease, and your body will be better equipped to repair collagen throughout the day. If you add guava to your morning routine. Blackberries. Despite their small size, blackberries offer a powerful mix of nutrients and compounds that help reduce joint inflammation and support collagen regeneration. What makes blackberries especially noteworthy is their high content of anthocyanins, dark purple pigments proven to prevent existing collagen from breaking down and to act as antioxidants. These anthocyanins also block enzymes that degrade connective tissues in aging joints. As inflammation rises, these enzymes accelerate collagen loss in areas like the knees, hips, and ankles, leading to more swelling and stiffness. Blackberries help interrupt this cycle. A study published in Nutrients found that daily blackberry consumption reduced inflammatory markers tied to joint damage and cartilage deterioration by 25% in older adults. Another study from Oregon State University revealed that anthocyanin-rich foods like blackberries help preserve collagen density in aging tissues, especially around the knees and elbows. The polyphenol in blackberries also improve capillary function and blood circulation, which enhances nutrient delivery to the joints, particularly in the legs, where circulation often weakens with age. Manganese, another component of blackberries, plays a crucial role in activating enzymes that form the collagen framework in cartilage and ligaments. To get the most benefits, eat fresh blackberries rather than sugar-laden frozen varieties. You can blend them into a smoothie with spinach and chia seeds, eat them on their own, or stir them into plain yogurt. Including blackberries in your morning routine gives your joints the antioxidants they need to regenerate collagen and reduce overnight inflammation. They're a simple, natural solution for swollen knees and sore ankles. If you've enjoyed this so far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just good for your brain, they're among the best fruits for strengthening connective tissue in your joints and legs. Their effectiveness lies in their rich flavonoid content, particularly anthocyanins, which give blueberries their vibrant blue color. These compounds go beyond just fighting inflammation. They actively preserve and repair the collagen framework that supports joint structure. Minor damage to cartilage, tendons, and ligaments can cause swelling and stiffness, especially in the knees and hips. Since collagen breaks down naturally with age, blueberries prompt your body to heal and reduce that damage. Research in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics showed that older adults who ate blueberries daily for just 2 weeks experienced a 38% improvement in joint mobility and a reduction in lower body inflammation. A separate clinical trial by the University of Maine found that regular blueberry intake improved blood flow to connective tissues, delivering more collagen-boosting nutrients directly to the knees, calves, and ankles. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and manganese, two key nutrients for collagen synthesis. And because they're high in fiber and low in sugar, they help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for reducing inflammation in aging joints. For best results, choose wild blueberries, which have double the antioxidant power of cultivated varieties. Eat them by the handful as a morning snack, blend them into smoothies, or add them to oatmeal. Avoid processed blueberry products or artificially flavored yogurts, which won't offer the same benefits. If your legs feel stiff or swollen by day's end, a regular dose of blueberries can help reduce inflammation and rebuild your collagen support system. Strawberries. While strawberries are widely loved for their flavor, they're often overlooked when it comes to joint repair and restoring collagen in the legs. What makes strawberries unique is their combination of ellagic acid, vitamin C, and antioxidants that specifically help prevent the breakdown of collagen fibers. When joints swell, collagenase enzymes are triggered, which damage the structural support of cartilage and ligaments. Strawberries work by blocking these enzymes, allowing your body to heal instead of just reacting to inflammation. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily for 2 weeks experienced a 37% drop in inflammatory biomarkers and noticeable pain relief. Another study found that strawberries improved skin elasticity and slowed collagen loss in older adults, helping strengthen connective tissues. This isn't just about cosmetic benefits. This is about maintaining the structural support that stabilizes your ankles, cushions your hips, and keeps your knees intact. Strawberries also contain manganese, a crucial helper in forming strong, flexible collagen strands. Like vitamin C, strawberries are best eaten fresh, ideally organic and with their green tops still attached. For optimal results, consume them in the morning or post-workout, when blood flow is elevated and joint healing is already underway. Avoid processed strawberry products like canned fillings or jams, which are usually high in sugar and counteract the fruit's anti-inflammatory effects. 1 cup a day can help reduce joint stiffness and swelling and send the signal your body needs to produce collagen. If your knees feel tight or your legs swell by evening, strawberries might be your simplest solution. Amla, Indian gooseberry amla, or Indian gooseberry, is considered the most powerful fruit for reducing joint and leg swelling and rebuilding collagen. Yet 99% of people have never tried it. This small green fruit is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C globally. What sets it apart is that amla's vitamin C is paired with potent plant polyphenol, making it more stable and bioavailable than that in citrus fruits. As a result, even a small amount provides a long-lasting boost to your body's collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation, but more importantly, amla prevents collagen from breaking down. It stimulates fibroblasts and blocks the enzymes that degrade collagen during inflammation. Fibroblasts are the cells in your joints, skin, and tendons that produce new collagen fibers. A study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging reported a 42% reduction in knee pain and swelling among people who took amla extract daily for 12 weeks. A skin biopsy even showed a 24% increase in collagen density and flexibility, proving that amla helps with both symptom relief and structural repair. Another study from India found that regular amla intake significantly improved leg strength and mobility in older adults with arthritis. Amla also contains gallic acid and quercetin, which help neutralize oxidative stress in the joints, especially after walking or physical activity. For best results, consume amla as a juice or powder added to smoothies or water. Since it's quite sour in its raw form, many people prefer it dried or powdered. A teaspoon of amla powder with warm water, lemon, and honey in the morning is especially effective. You can also drink it as tea or juice, or soak sliced fresh amla in salt water overnight to mellow the taste. Amla starts working quickly. Many older adults notice reduced morning stiffness, less knee and ankle swelling, and easier movement within days. It's the fastest and most effective fruit for repairing and protecting collagen. Your legs don't swell without reason. Signs like stiffness, puffiness, and a crackling sound when bending the knees indicate something's wrong. Ignoring collagen breakdown will only worsen the problem. But now, you're informed. We've just gone over 8 powerful fruits that don't just reduce swelling. They help your body rebuild the essential framework that keeps your joints and legs flexible and pain-free. These aren't random suggestions. Each fruit listed has been tested in clinical trials with real people and real results. This is backed by science, not theory, and it works quickly. If you begin eating just 2 or 3 of these fruits each day, you may feel reduced morning discomfort, improved knee movement, and lighter legs within 12 to 48 hours. And if you incorporate the best fruit, amla, you could start rebuilding collagen from the inside out within days. Before you go, let us know which fruit you're planning to try first in the comments. We read and respond to everyone.